In this video, we'll go through the customer notes and attachments features, tools that help keep your customer interactions, files, and other important information in one place so that nothing slips through the cracks. To begin, navigate to the Customers module. Select a customer and open the Notes tab. Here, you'll see the Add Note button in the top right. Each note includes 3 fields: subject, note, and any optional attachments. You can also choose to send the note as an email, keeping your customer communication clear, documented, and accessible to your entire team. Once you're done filling out the note, click Save. You'll now see your new note in the list, along with any existing ones. From here, you can edit, email, or delete any user-created note. You can also view its activity to see exactly who created, edited, or sent it, creating a clear record of customer communication. If you open the filter, you can enable System Notes and click Apply to view a complete customer history. This timeline is great for resolving disputes, proving service history, or giving your team quick context before the next visit. Next, let's switch to the Attachments tab. Here, you can upload up to 3 files directly tied to the customer, rather than a specific note. This is perfect for permits, legal documents, or other key files that you want ready and available whenever you or your team need them. By keeping notes and attachments in one central spot, you'll spend less time looking for information and more time getting work done. Feel free to check out our other videos on the customer module, such as our overview, assets and equipment, work orders, and transactions.